Hello everyone, I'm currently in the process of building a BuildPro style welding table with 16mm holes, and I needed a bunch of clamps for it. Now believe it or not, this clamp here is twice the price of this clamp here, and comparing the two, this clamp is a lot bigger and it's a lot heavier duty. So in this video I'm going to be converting a bunch of these clamps into something like this for my welding table. I hope you enjoy it. I've made the hole in all of these slightly undersized so that I can heat this up and it'll expand, and then I can press the clamp in or hammer it in since I don't have a press, and there won't be any give or wobble in these clamps. The clamps are finished. You may notice I didn't put a pin in since I didn't see the need for it. It's virtually impossible to take apart, and I think the clamp's going to break first before it ever comes loose. I tried separating one and it was virtually impossible for me to even get it to budge.